Never underestimate the power of planning. Your business has no choice but to align with your goals, but only if you follow a plan. Hi there, I'm Alonda Silva. Are you ready to take your business to the next level but feeling overwhelmed with where to start? Do you desire a tested roadmap that lays out the groundwork for building the foundations for your business? Look no further because you've arrived at your destination. Get your hands on my free business plan template. It's a game-changing opportunity for business growth. This comprehensive template is designed to save you time, provide clear direction, and identify growth opportunities and weaknesses in your business. But wait, there is more. You also get an exclusive 30-minute strategy call with me. Wait for it, for free. During this call, you'll receive personalized guidance to help you grow faster, reduce risk, and increase your confidence in your business decisions. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to supercharge your business success. Click the link below to download your free business plan template and schedule your strategy call today. Hey, what are you still waiting for? This is completely free, so transform your business today.